Welcome to the brief presentation on the proposed Magpet 1 and Magpet 2 hydropower projects. The proposed projects are located in the municipality of Magpet in North Cotabato. Magpet is approximately 13 kilometers from Kidapawan City and is accessible by land roughly 2 hours from Davao City and similarly 2 hours from General Santos City. The project will harness the flow from Cabacan River and will adopt a cascading run-of-river scheme with Magpet 1 located upstream and Magpet 2 downstream. Magpet 1 stretches over the barangays of Pangawan and Bantac with the major structures all accessible by a network of existing roads, most of which have already been concreted. The Magpet 1 weir will be an 8.5 meters tall gravity structure that will divert the flow from Cabacan River whilst allowing the release of the environmental flow to maintain the existing flora and fauna downstream. A water conveyance system will be used to direct the diverted water from the weir to the powerhouse. A 3 meters diameter steel pipe will be used as a low-pressure head race. The pipe will be partially embedded into the ground to improve earthquake resistance. Due to a depression in the topography, a short aqueduct section will be constructed approximately midway of the proposed head race. The same steel pipe will hence be suspended at this aqueduct section. The pipe alignment will also have to cross underneath an existing roadway, thereby necessitating the need to construct a short tunnel section. This tunnel will be constructed using a combination of cut-and-cover approaches along with a short bored tunnel section located directly underneath the active roadway. A cylindrical steel tank will be situated between the low-pressure headrace and the high-pressure penstock to accommodate any pressure surges during the normal and abnormal plant operations. A thicker steel pipe will be constructed after the surge tank. This 2.5 meters diameter pipe section will have a steeper gradient in order to increase the momentum of the water towards the hydroturbines. The hydroturbines will be housed in a powerhouse structure located at the foot of the slope and also adjacent to the Mabato Creek, where the water will eventually be discharged. 3 units of 6 megawatts hydroturbines will be operated, bringing a combined output of 18 megawatts. Horizontal Francis turbines have been chosen since they will be the most efficient type under the proposed project configuration. The ejecting water from Magpet 1 will be discharged towards a proposed pondage area, which will also serve to intercept the flow from Mabato Creek in order to increase the available water for Magpet 2. The Magpet 2 weir will be a 5.5 meters tall gravity dam structure which will also incorporate a 200 meters long barrage structure connecting to the Magpet 1 powerhouse. The steel headrace for Magpet 2 will be similar to Magpet 1, but the diameter will be increased to 3.2 meters to accommodate the higher flow from the addition of the Mabato Creek discharge. A similar steel tank will also be used as a surge tank for Magpet 2. The surge tank will connect the 3.2 meters diameter headrace to the 2.5 meters diameter penstock. A 2.5 meters diameter steel pipe will direct the flow from the surge tank to the hydroturbines below. Due to the short-tor alignment, the Magpet 2 penstock will only be 580 meters long. The Magpet 2 powerhouse adopts a similar configuration as Magpet 1 with a substation also located immediately outside the powerhouse structure and a tailrace canal which will eject the water back to Cabacan River. Magpet 2 will also adopt 3 identically rated Francis-type hydroturbines at 3.2 megawatts each to improve system redundancy. The output from Magpet 2 will eventually connect to a common switching station located adjacent to the Magpet 1 powerhouse in order to allow for a common transmission line to connect to the host distribution utility. The common transmission line will be a new 69 kV line and will be laid mainly along the existing Kidapawan and Magpet highway, thereby easing right-of-way requirements. Cotelco's newly constructed Boracay substation will be the interconnection point. The common query on the project location is the peace and order situation. As a reference, this map shows the Christian and Muslim areas of North Cotabato, where the nearest Muslim settlement is located approximately 46 kilometers away from Magpet. The nearest security threat to the project site used to be the communist insurgents with presence near Arakan town, which is 1 hour away, but ever since the improvement to the existing roadways, the insurgents have been driven farther and farther away. Also, the NTFL-CAC program has resulted in new army outposts near the project site. This is the DOE's forecast for Cotelco from circa 2016, and which appears to require another updating since the recent commercial boom in Kidapawan City has exceeded this previous forecast. Also for reference, this is the DOE forecast for the adjacent Cotelco Palma franchise area, which also has a bullish outlook. We thank you for your attention and we hope to hear from you soon. Should you have any queries, please contact us at the details shown and we will gladly get back to you soonest. Again, thank you for your attention.